Welcome to Bit Bank for all bank tests and bank promotion exams. So in this book, 240 questions are there in the percentages chapter. And for the video solutions of all these 240 questions, please click the link which is given under this video discussion part. This is a link. I explained in an easy manner, and the student with no mathematics background also easily can understand and score 100% in arithmetic. The shortcuts and detailed explanation. And please subscribe BitBank. In this video, I explain the problems from 31 to 35. Now, the 31st problem, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 80% of the sum of their squares. The ratio of the large number to the small number is. Let the two numbers be A and B. Squares of two numbers is A square, B square. The difference of the squares of two numbers is A square minus B square is equal to 80% of, that means 80 by 100 into the sum of their squares, A square plus B square. Now this is divided by 100. You send this 100 to the other side, it becomes into. So that implies 100 into A square, 100 A square minus 100 B square is equal to 80 A square plus 80 B square. Now send all the like terms, means A square terms left side and B square terms right side. So if 80 A square is there plus, it becomes minus. So 100 A square minus 80 A square is 20 A square. 100 minus 80 is equal to minus 100 B square becomes plus 100 B square. So 80 B square plus 100 B square is equal to 80 plus 100, 180 B square. 120 is 20, 920 is 180. So 1A square is equal to 9B square. So 1A square means A whole square is equal to 3B whole square, 3 square B square. That implies A whole square is equal to 3B whole square. So say square to square will be cancelled. A is equal to 3B. So 3B. You send this B this side. It becomes A by B. That means A is to B is equal to, this is 3 by 1. That is 3 is to 1. So A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. This is the required answer. Question number 32. 1 dozen pairs of socks quoted at 160 rupees. And these socks are available at a discount of 10%. Find how many pairs of socks can be bought for 60 rupees. Detailed explanation. The socks are available at a discount of 10%. So the actual price after 10% discount is 100 minus 10, 90. So 90% of 160 rupees. So 1 dozen pairs of socks is equal to 90% of 160 rupees, that is 144 rupees. So for 144 rupees we are getting 1 dozen pairs of socks. So if we are getting for 144 rupees 12 socks, then for 60 rupees how many socks we can get? For 60 rupees is equal to 12 divided by 144 into 60. 12 divided by 144 into 60. After simplification we get 5 socks. 12 12s are 144. 60 by 12. 5 12s are 60. So 5 socks. Now the shortcut is 60 into dozen. 60 into 12 divided by 90% of 160. That is equal to 60 into 12 divided by 144. That is equal to 5 socks. Now problem number 33. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% of apples and still has 420 apples. Originally, he had how many total apples are there? What is the number of total apples? Solution. The detailed explanation. He sells 40% of total apples. 40% of total apples, and after selling 420 apples are remained. So 40% of total apples sold. So the remaining apples is equal to 100 minus 40. 60% apples are still there. So what are the remaining number of apples? 420. So 60% of total apples is equal to 420. Okay. Shortcut. After selling 40%, the remaining percentage of apples is 60%. So 60% of total apples is equal to 420. I want number of apples. 60% means 60 by 100. If I send this 60 by 100, the other side becomes 100 by 60. So apples, number of apples is equal to 420 into 100 by 60. After simplification, we get 700 apples. So originally he had 700 apples. 34th question. A person spends 30% of monthly salary on rent, 25% on food, 20% on children's education, and 12% on electricity. And the balance is of 1040 rupees on the remaining items. What is the monthly salary of the person? So from his monthly salary, after spending the amount on rent, food, children's education and electricity, the balance, remaining balance is 1040. Suppose total monthly salary is 100%. So 100 minus this expenditure, sum of the expenditures, 100 minus 30 plus 25 plus 20 plus 12 is equal to remaining amount is 1040. So that implies 30 plus 25, 55, 75, 77, 87, 100 minus 87 is 13%. So that 13% is equal to 1040. So 13% of the total salary is 1040. Then 100% of the salary is, that means total salary is equal to 1040 divided by 13 into 100. 1040 divided by 13 into 100. After simplification, we get 8,000 rupees. His salary is 8,000. Shortcut. Balance amount divided by 100 minus total expenditure into 100. So balance amount is 1040 divided by 100 minus total expenditure, that is 13. So 1040 divided by 13 into 100, that is equal to 8,000 rupees. 35th question. Radha spends 40% of her salary on food, 20% on house rent, and 10% on entertainment, and 10% on convenience. If her savings at the end of a month is 1500 rupees, then her salary per month is how much? Solution. The detailed explanation. So what is the total expenditure first of all? 40% on food plus 20% on house rent plus 10% on entertainment plus and 10% on convenience. So total expenditure is equal to 40 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10%. That is equal to 80%. So 80% is expenditure. If her savings at the end of a month is 1500 rupees, expenditure is 80. So total is 100. So 100 minus 80 is the savings. That is savings is equal to 20%. So 20 savings at the end of month are 1500 rupees. That means 20% of salary is equal to savings is equal to 1500. 20% of monthly salary is equal to 1500. If 20% of monthly salary is 1500, then 100% of monthly salary is equal. That means total salary is equal to 1500 divided by 20 into 100. This person will be cancelled. So 100% of monthly salary is equal to 1500 divided by 20 into 100. After simplification, 520 is 100, 5 into 15, 7,500 rupees is the total monthly salary of Radha. Now shortcut. So total salary per month of Radha is equal to savings divided by 100 minus total expenditure into 100. Savings divided by 100 minus total expenditure into 100. So here savings is 1500 divided by 100 minus total expenditure. 100 minus 80, that is 20 into 100. So 1500 divided by 20 into 100, that is equal to 7,500 rupees. This is a monthly salary of Radha. For the detailed and shortcut video solutions of all the problems in Quick Arithmetic S. Chand Ashish Agarwal book, please subscribe the YouTube channel BitBank.